Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to manage Teams in Microsoft Teams. First, open your Google Play Store or Apple Store on your mobile phone. Download and open the Microsoft Teams app. Make sure to log into your account or sign up using your credentials. You can create your own meetings by selecting any option. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Go to the settings option and tap on appearance in general. Choose the theme you want, either dark or light. You will need to restart the app to switch the themes. Go to the data and storage option in settings and tap on clear the temporary files. It will clear all the temporary files and tap on clear app data. Tap on permissions and you can allow permissions to the app you want. Select the storage permission and tap on allow access to media only. Go back to the data and storage settings. Tap to select the image upload quality in Microsoft Teams. You can toggle on the option to allow Teams to show history when toggle on. Tap on the messaging option. You can toggle on to show read receipts for messages. Tap on edit pinned chats and you can toggle on the option to show pinned chats. Go to the translation option. You will see different options related to translation. You can change the language to translate messages in the selected language. Go back and you can toggle on the option to send and receive GIFs. Go back to settings, select calendar and you can connect to Google Calendar. Tap on the calling option and choose low if you want others to hear the music. Tap on the option to choose the option either auto, low or off. Tap on people and toggle the option to sync device contacts. Select allow Teams to access your contacts. Go back and tap on the privacy option. You can manage how people can find you. Toggle off the option to hide your profile from the search. Tap on confirm to ensure the Teams app hides your profile. If you toggle on the option, then your profile will show in searches to others. Go back and tap on your profile to edit your details. You can select the option to either hide or show your phone number. Select the synced accounts option to see your synced accounts if any. Go back to your home screen of the Teams app. Tap on create from scratch to create a community. Enter the name of your community and add a short description about it so the people will know. You as the owner must approve new members before they can join and toggle on the option. Tap on create to create it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.